Fitment. Designed specifically as a direct replacement, plug-and-play, for the later model, second generation, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015 Freightliner Cascadia side turn marker light. Also it fits other Freightliner models. Replace the stock and dull side turn signal on your Freightliner Cascadia with our high-quality amber LED side marker turn signal light. Made with 5 LED light 3528 chips, these turn signal lights will create a bright luminous burst of light each time the lights are signaled and will help other drivers see where you are on the road and know when you need to change lanes. Also, this replacement helps you pass state inspection and avoid tickets and fines. Comes with 3-pin weather pack style connector, mates to factory harness. Our turn marker lights are constructed with quality materials and offers OE fit, function and durability without the OE price tag, just plug and play. Dimension: 5 by 2 3/4 by 2 1/3, hole to hole, 4 1/4. It comes with 2-step brightness and the pin at the higher side is for negative, ground pin, the other 2 is for high and low. Direct replacement for Freightliner Cascadia left and right position. High-impact polycarbonate lens and housing are sealed to prevent damage from moisture and corrosion. 12 volts, low ampere drawn. We truly offer 1-year warranty and please feel free to us if you have any questions. Top reviews from the United States. Great. Perfect fit 2012 Cascadia, much brighter and cleaner looking than OM.